travel a lot, but I'm such a spa girly, so my motto is simple: work hard, restore harder. While in Atlanta, Georgia, I decided to hop on my Resort Pass app and started to research spas to visit. I have a spa membership and it's good nationwide, but I love visiting other spas, especially if that spa has a steam room, which is my absolute favorite. So I landed on Exhal's website and I read that they have a sauna and steam room, massage and facial treatments, and several other amenities. I said, I'm sold, and voila. The next day, I'm at Exhale, located in Midtown Atlanta in the Lowe's Hotel. Upon arrival, I immediately felt peace and serenity from the atmosphere. From the scent to the friendly front desk associates, it was just a good vibe. First impressions are important and it sets the tone for everything that follows. After I checked in, the spa concierge gave a brief tour and then led me to the locker room. I was amazed at how big it was, and the amenities were impressive. I received a robe, slippers, and a towel, and I checked out the sauna, which was spacious, then worked my way over to the steam room. The steam room is nearly 100% humidity. That moist heat helps your muscles relax and increases blood flow, making it a great way to unwind before or after a massage. After I prepped for my massage, I waited in the lounge and sipped on my complimentary tea. The massage therapist came and got me, and then I walked to the room. I have to be honest, I was very much underwhelmed by the room. Nothing about it looked relaxing. It just looked like a typical room with a curtain and a massage table. But I was there to relax, and my massage therapist was wonderful. I left feeling so relaxed that I felt like I was gliding down the hall back to the locker room and took my shower. Here are my overall thoughts about Exhale. The pros: sauna and steam room is rare but a huge benefit. Big locker rooms, nice sized showers, complimentary slippers, robes, and towels. The overall ambiance was luxurious, the massage was excellent, and they validated parking. The cons: the sauna is co-ed, and I realize this can be a pro or a con for some, but I was there by myself this time, and for safety reasons, I just couldn't get fully relaxed. Another con is placement. I had to walk past the massive gym in my robe, towel, and slippers to get to and from the locker's room, to and from the massage room and sauna. Next, the massage room was so underwhelming, it just didn't pass the luxury spa vibe. And finally, the membership doesn't transfer to other locations, even though they have other locations nationwide, and to me, this is a big disadvantage. At the time of filming, Exhale's membership is between $150 to $300 a month. The $300 a month membership includes a gym membership and classes. Of course, this pricing can change, and I suggest speaking with an associate for current membership fees. All in all, I do recommend visiting this spa, and I give it a 4-star rating. Here's your reminder that manifesting your dream life isn't about just vision boards. It's about becoming someone who makes peace, rest, and well-being a priority. Because the soft life starts with the choices you make today.